There will not be any drastic changes to your financial aid when it comes to the new 7-week session calendar. Financial aid will still be processed for the fall, spring, and summer terms. Just make sure to register for courses for both 7-week sessions in the term at the same time. This will ensure your enrollment status is correct for financial aid. You want to register for both sessions up front because your financial aid is based on the number of credits that you take. This means you will be awarded different amounts depending on the number of credits you're registered for in the term. In order to ensure that you receive the maximum amount of aid possible, please fill out your FAFSA for the 2024-25 school year as soon as it is released, sometime before December 31st, 2023. Western will start processing financial aid applications later this spring. Western's Financial Aid Resources and Planning Services Department is looking at additional ways to assist you on the transition to the new 7-week session calendar. Students with money left over after the cost of tuition will be able to charge their books directly to their student accounts during selective dates. We will continue to offer FAFSA Frenzies weekly to assist families with completing the FAFSA application and to answer any questions you may have. Watch your Western email and our website for more information. Thank you.